Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited because I've been getting a lot of requests about my skincare routine, how I like to do my skincare, what I like, what I dislike, and I've been using this product from Japan called HADA LABO Nepal. I got a care package from them and I've been using it for about a month and I absolutely love the results because also it's winter and there's lack of moisture in the air, and this product, the Advanced Nourish line that they have, it kind of locks in the moisture. And I've also talked about this product to all my clients as well, and I have everybody's like, where kota paunsi hada labo, kota paunsi. So just to make it easy for you guys, I am coming up with this video because I want to share with you all my skin secrets and whatever I like, So all the products that I've used are from HADA LABO Nepal in this video, and in the description box below. And in the description box below, you will find the links of the sites and locations and online links where you can find this product. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first part of my HADA LABO skincare routine is the cleanser. And just to let you guys know, if you have dry skin or dehydrated skin, as well as any type of skin, this product is really amazing because when I washed my face for the past month and so, what I realized is that when I wash my face, there's no dryness. Sometimes some face washes kasto huncha bhandakheri mukh dhudhakheri alikiti kakraka bhayer jane chhalaharu, kind of like a stiffness in the skin. But with HADA LABO, you'll see that as soon as you wash your face, it feels so soft and supple, and I think that's what every face wash should be about. Alright, so now I'm going to use the first step of the process, which is the cleanser. So I'm going to start cleansing. I'm using the HADA LABO Advanced Nourish Cleanser. It's amazing. It makes your skin feel super soft after, and it's alcohol and fragrance free, which is amazing, and no added color, no mineral oil, which clogs the pores, which increases the risk of blackheads and acne, so which is a very, very good thing. And the best part is it balances the pH level of my skin. I'm just using very little amount of the cleanser. I can see it's creating so much foam on my face. I'm gently just dabbing, in circular motion, just rubbing it all over my face. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. Alright, so the next step for this HADA LABO skincare routine is the lotion. And the best part is that this product comes in two different skin types. One is for the normal skin and the other one is for the oily skin. So if you have oily skin, choose the green bottle, and if you have normal skin, you can choose the orange bottle. And that is so amazing. And as you can see in the video, that it has a really watery consistency and it just glides on so smoothly on the skin, and you just have to just love your skin and just kind of pat it all over. And amazing for the neck area, definitely, and for your hands as well, because nobody wants amazing skin just here. You just want to have great skin everywhere, right? Now to the most important key step of the HADA LABO process, which is their lotion. When I used it first, I was quite surprised. It is quite unlike any other lotions I've ever encountered, and after researching it a bit, I realized that it's because of its ingredient, which is the HA hyaluronic acid. And what makes it so special is that it's like a special protein and a skin moisturizing agent, which is present in our skin, joints, hair follicles, and so on. And as we grow older, the production of the HA in our body becomes less and less, resulting in our skin losing its smoothness and softness. So with this product, it really helps me, delay that process. And the last part, the last step of the HADA LABO skincare routine is the cream. And I love this cream because it does not leave any oily residue on my skin, which is very important for me because sometimes I don't want to look super shiny all over, you just want to have this nice glow but no shine. I hope that makes sense. And the best thing about this is when I use creams, I usually prefer things that are not scented because I don't want it to overwhelm my skin, and nobody wants extra chemicals. So this product is like that, and it's amazing. Now on to the final step of the HADA LABO, which is the Hyaluron Cream. You can see the product, it's so amazing. You can apply it all over your skin. The best thing about it is that I can use it under my makeup because it's so light in consistency. Just a little fact about the product, about hyaluronic acid actually, is that 1 gram of hyaluronic acid holds up to 6 liters of water. That is absolutely crazy. So if you have dehydrated skin or skin that just needs a little bit of love, you should definitely use this product. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as me and Ishan liked making it. I absolutely love making skincare videos because that is my forte, and I love experimenting and trying out different skincare products from all over the world. And it was such a great opportunity for me to try this best-selling product from Japan, and I absolutely love it. So if you enjoyed watching this video and like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.